Concept art is a branch of art that is based on illustrations to represent a visual idea of a specific design for a film, animation, video game, comic book, or any other similar visual production. With these illustrations, a creative team can materialize the ideas that will later be implemented in the final product, capturing the tone that the setting, characters, artifacts, weapons, or any other element required by the production. Artists test different designs in search of the desired effect on the artwork. Designs are selected and refined in stages, reducing the number of options until the final one is chosen. In addition to serving the development process of the work, concept art is used to present the progress of the project to directors, clients, and investors. Once the work is finished, they are often used as promotional material, art books, and other similar pieces. The beginning of the history of concept art dates back to when it was adopted by Disney studio artists in the early days of the animated film industry. These professionals made quick sketches during the pre-production process of the films so that they could define the characters more accurately. At the same time, they also used concept art to find the features with which to conceive the essence of these characters. As in any illustration, the techniques used in concept art can be many, as long as it works to represent the idea. Currently, most concept artists use computer programs such as Photoshop, Sketchbook Pro, Krita, Clip Studio Paint, among others, even 3D modeling programs. But regardless that in past decades, a pencil or a brush was used and today a graphic tablet is used, the goal is the same: to visually represent an idea so that then materializes in an audiovisual product.